If you're looking for a budget VPS in 2026, chances are you've already heard about Hostinger and Contabo. Both companies are extremely popular, both are affordable, and both claim to offer excellent performance for the price. But the truth is, these two VPS providers are built for very different types of users. In this video, we're doing a full comparison of Hostinger versus Contabo VPS, focusing on pricing, performance, ease of use, and overall value for money. By the end of this video, you'll clearly know which VPS is the better choice for your specific needs. This comparison is based on official VPS plans listed in USD, real hardware specs like CPU, RAM, and storage, and practical use cases. I'm not just reading spec sheets, I'm explaining who each VPS is actually best for in real life. No hype, no fluff, just practical advice. Let's start with Hostinger VPS. Hostinger is well known for combining affordability with a very user-friendly experience. Their VPS plans use KVM virtualization, NVMe SSD storage, and dedicated resources, which means your performance is stable and predictable. Hostinger is especially popular among website owners, freelancers, and developers who want a VPS without complicated server management. Another big advantage is their clean control panel, which makes deploying and managing a VPS much easier for beginners. Hostinger also operates multiple global data centers, which helps reduce latency and improves uptime depending on where your users are located. If you're running websites, web apps, or small production projects, Hostinger's stability is a major advantage. If you want to check current Hostinger VPS pricing and deals, you'll find the link in the description below. Now let's move on to Contabo VPS. Contabo is famous for offering massive hardware specs at very low prices. With Contabo, you usually get far more RAM, more CPU cores, and much larger storage compared to most competitors in the same price range. This makes Contabo extremely attractive for power users, developers, and anyone running resource-heavy workloads. If you love raw specs and don't mind managing servers yourself, Contabo immediately stands out. However, Contabo is clearly designed for more technical users. The control panel is functional but not beginner-focused, and the setup process assumes you already know what you're doing. If you're comfortable with Linux, SSH, and manual configuration, Contabo gives you a lot of freedom. You can check Contabo VPS plans using the link in the description. Now let's talk about pricing. At first glance, both Hostinger and Contabo look very affordable, but they approach pricing differently. Hostinger focuses on balanced plans, where CPU, RAM, and storage are carefully optimized for stable performance. Contabo focuses on maximum hardware for the lowest possible price, often offering double or triple the RAM of competitors. If you compare specs line by line, Contabo usually looks cheaper on paper. But pricing alone doesn't tell the full story. Performance, consistency, and reliability are just as important as raw specs. Hostinger tends to deliver very stable performance, especially for websites and production environments. Contabo can deliver excellent raw performance, but results may vary depending on server load and location. Ease of use is another major difference between these two VPS providers. Hostinger is clearly beginner-friendly with a modern dashboard, guided setup, and better documentation. Their customer support is also easier to reach, which matters if you're new to VPS hosting. Contabo, on the other hand, is more hands-on and technical. It's better suited for experienced users who don't rely heavily on customer support. So which one is actually better for the price in 2026? If you value simplicity, stability, and ease of use, Hostinger VPS offers excellent value for money. If you want the most RAM, storage, and CPU cores for the lowest cost, Contabo VPS is hard to beat. There is no universal winner here. It depends entirely on your use case. Here's a simple recommendation. If you're a beginner, business owner, or running websites and production apps, Hostinger is the safer choice. If you're an advanced user, developer, or running heavy workloads, Contabo gives you more power per dollar. Both are strong VPS providers, just built for different users. You'll find direct links to both Hostinger and Contabo VPS plans in the description below, so you can compare current pricing yourself. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which VPS you're considering in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.